Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play UFC 4 on Xbox One. We'll start by covering the fundamental controls. The left analog stick controls your fighter's movement, while the right analog stick allows for precise head movement to evade incoming strikes. For defense, hold the right trigger to block high, and hold both the left and right triggers to block low. Mastering these basic inputs is your crucial first step to dominating the octagon and becoming a formidable fighter. Next, let's dive into striking. You can throw punches with X and Y and kicks with O and B. Experiment with combinations by pressing these buttons in sequence. To evade attacks, hold the left bumper and flick the right stick to lunge. Remember, stamina is crucial. Make your opponent miss their strikes and target the body with kicks and punches to drain their energy. Now, let's tackle the ground game. To perform a takedown, hold the left trigger and press either X or Y. If your opponent attempts a takedown, defend by holding both the left and right triggers. Once on the ground, you can attempt submissions. For choke submissions, use the left stick to control your bar, and for joint submissions, use the left and right triggers to move your wedge. Finally, let's discuss advanced strategies. Practice extensively in offline modes like career or fight now to internalize the game's mechanics. Vary your attacks by targeting both the head and body to keep your opponent guessing and deplete their stamina. Pay close attention to their patterns to time your counters and parries effectively, turning their aggression into your advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.